You should set up your BYD to ensure you have all of the right information while driving. In this video, we'll show you how to make sure your language and time settings are correct. Please note that your interface may appear slightly different depending on your vehicle and current software. To choose the right time zone, go to your settings, then go to the System category and the System tab. Here you can manually select your time zone. You can also automatically sync your time zone. Here you can toggle between 12 or 24-hour time depending on what you prefer. Underneath your time settings is where your system language settings are. You may also want to change the language of your voice assistant specifically. You can do this by navigating to the Apps section, then finding the BYD Assistant app. Here you can select your preferred voice assistant language. Thanks for learning with us. We'll see you next time.